Hello, good morning. In this video, we'll show you how to log in to Miss Pipi's class in EPIC. Okay, so what you have to do is you open the link Miss Pipi gave you, and it will take you here. You click where it says Students and Educator, and then you have to log in here where it says Students Login, and you're going to enter Miss Pipi's class code, which is Z, or Z like in zebra, K as in kilo, T as in teddy bear, and you have to write 3041. So Z K T 3041, and you hit go. Well, you will see that the list of Miss Pipi's class will appear. It says welcome Miss Pipi's class, and be careful because you will find 6th graders here too. So what you have to do is find your name on the list, and again, careful because 6th graders are there too. So you have 5th graders, you will find the last name first, okay? So you see that 5th graders is Ares, Abrutil, Bruno, all right? So find your name on the list and click on it, okay? Look. When you do that, you will see that Miss Pipi has assigned one book to you. Okay, Del Cabril Pipi sent you a book. What are seeds? And you click here, check it out, and you read the book. Okay, this book can be read to you. Look, I know you can. This one you read it yourself. Okay, if you want to seed. If you want to know how a plant is how a word is pronounced, you click on it and you change. You see, it's everything you have seen with Miss Pipi, the seed food, the seed codes, all right? And well, you click and you finish the book. When you finish the book, it gives you points, all right? The more points you have, the more things you will be able to do here in EPIC. And here you have a quiz to answer questions, okay? You start the quiz, what is a seed? And you have to answer, you have to choose the correct answer, okay? And I'm going to leave the quiz. If you go back to the main part in mailbox, you will find the books that are assigned to you. What are seeds? And this one too. Here you can. It is read to you.
Has one job. It is to make another plant of its kind.
Okay.
The outer layer is called the seed coat. It protects everything inside the seed.
Okay, as you can see, this is exactly what Miss Pipi has given, what you have been studying with Miss Pipi, okay? So finish reading the books, look at the embryo here, all right? All right, that's all, girls. I hope you like it and you enjoy it.